Hello YouTube. Are you well? I thought you were. So today we are on my Pinnacle hybrid. Why is that still squeaking? I thought that's why I took it in to have the bottom bracket changed. So what's squeaking then? He's all greased up in there. Single speed today. From my last ride, as you probably previously remember, my bottom bracket was squeaking, so I took it to the bike shop yesterday and had it changed out. Anyway, I have got a new bike mount for my Insta 360. So I'm going to put that on the handlebars. I've got the little cover here with the ear muffs for the top, and that is going to go on here. And we are going to give it a trial run today. I've also put a little stealth light on there, stealth light there, got an inner tube in there, water will go in there, and I go on there and hold on to there. There. So let's get this mount fitted. Abracadabra, hocus pocus, stick it up your jokers. We have fitted the GoPro, got the little earmuff defenders on. I've fitted the grub screw there to tighten and hold it so it's out of the stitch line of the camera. Like I say, on the TV it says YouTube TV, it says to have that camera facing the rider and that one to face that, so it's to do with the stitch line. I have ordered a microphone adapter, but it hasn't come yet, and I'm hoping it arrives by the time for my next vlog, but I can't Adam and Eve it. That is still squeaking, and I haven't got a clue where it's coming from, but I'll try and muffle it out today. So it wasn't the bottom bracket, I've just paid for that to be changed for no freaking reason. Anyway, let's carry on. We are recording. Let's go up to the park. Let's see how this edits out. It should be on 360. Just angle it a little bit. Thank you. Hopefully Hyper Smooth is doing its job. Maiden voyage, bike bracket. Thank you. I did just notice as I'm hitting the bumps, the camera starts to slowly flop down, and it's moving now. I can see it. Okay. Stop to adjust. Just, I might be taking my GoPro after all on holiday as opposed to 360, but probably because I've got no suspension on the front of this. It vibrates it slightly loose. Proof's in the pudding. It's coming past. Cheers. So I just stopped to adjust the bracket again, and I'll insert a photo. I've put it vertical, but this is vibrating like a single woman on a washing machine at the moment, and I am hoping the Hyper Smooth will do it justice. Like I said, I've got no suspension on this bike, so it's got no compensation for absorption. Look at me with my big words. Scrabble champion, the Oracle, 2021. Right, I'm going to join a little bit of canal and then we'll jump off. It's a DY4, Tipton Massive, and then head towards the metro along there, and then through a little local country park because it's meant to rain a bit later. Hence I wanted to get out today and give this a bit of a trial run. It's trial and error, to be fair. Have it this way, but I'll put the lens like a horse's eyes on the side. Will it be crap? Will it be good? You'll have to wait and see. it to flop itself forward. That's what he said. So it's now horizontal, lens towards me. Hey! Lens in front. I don't think this bike is designed for this. It's probably more of a camera for my one-way EUC. But it's staying where it is. It hasn't gone south yet. That's a Brucey. But we're going to have to get out at this next bridge. Beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, you. Yeah, there were some cobbles on the last bridge and it decided to go floppy joes, not sloppy joes. Down towards the new section of metro line that will link Wolverhampton, Birmingham to Dudley and eventually Merry Hill Centre. Now I'd heard on the radio the other day that they were doing driver training on this, so it must be complete. That's the only thing I can think of. All the power lines are in overhead. It is a shame that they don't do a pathway that goes all the way along the side like the one we're going to join now. I suppose it's all about the budget and costs. They spend stupid amount of billion on the HS2. All the roads are kaput. And that train line's been cut short anyway. But this looks nice. Ooh, nice bit of new bike path. Me gusta, tu gusta. Whoa, it's bloody cold, but when you get pedalling, you don't have to warm up a bit. I don't know what happens here. Do you just follow the line? I go straight on here. I don't follow this round, or shall I? Oh, go on then. Over the crossing. This is quite good. Thank you, Sandwell and Dudley Council. Practising my riding side for Spain. Let's go and join the metro to West Bromwich. Time it just rise. There's a metro on the track and you can cross. But I didn't get the memo. Oh, go for it. Don't want to get stuck down them ruts. Rail links. It's weird, when I pedal backwards I can hear it, so I'm not sure if it's one of my pedals. It's ironic. A minute after I said if I'd hung on for the crossing, look what turns up, a bloody metro. Never mind. Today I'm doing not a Peter Andre's toilet roll ride. Andre the Little Puppies. I'm doing a Jason Deluxe roll. I'm riding solo. I'm going solo. A cappella, baby. Let's carry on. The Lone Wolf. El Solo Lobo. Oh, Trinity Way. Weave my way up, and in a short while I'll be leaving the metro line to go off down towards the country park, cut round, go down some of the bike tracks. But what I'm going to do shortly is spin the camera 90 degrees, so instead of the lenses facing me and away from me, they'll be on the side like fish eyes or horse's eyes. So it's a case of trial and error. I will put a photo in. The next time when it comes back, will it be any better? But it's bloody windy today. I do need that microphone adapter. But I can't rush the post. But I am the postman, I always deliver. Ka-ching! Just stopped, moved the camera. I'll insert a pic now. But I don't think this is going to work. because I can't see the screen or get to the actual button to press it on and off. But let's go and have a little sample of the bike lanes in West Brom. This ain't too bad. And they have to give way to cyclists as we are the hierarchy. But that don't mean diddly squat these days. A diddly squat! But I can see in my vision a car's decided to park in the bike lane. That must be what they're for. Another nice little cycle path and way. Good old infrastructure. After today, this bike's winter bike is going away, and I will be digging out the hardtail. And like I've said, this is just a test run to see whether, when I'm on holiday, the bike mount's any good. It was only about $8.99, so mustn't grumble. Andy, if you're watching, I've worked out a route we can do when you come up and see me. Nanny's Rock, not Grampy's, Nanny's. Kimber Edge. You'll enjoy that one. It'll be bloody hard work for me. You'll be on your mobility scooter. Now, if we go straight on, yes. And we are now entering the country park. Going up over the M5. South, Devon, North, Stoke, etc, etc. Everybody going somewhere, doing something. We'll drop left here, down the concrete road. I bet it'll be quite busy today because it's dry. See if I can get past people. This is so bumpy. Cheers. This is the top of the slalom track. So let's get on it. See what this is like. Try no braking policy. But with these dodgy tyres, I could slide out on the corners. Hopefully camera will stay where it's meant to. No brakes so far. Lean into the corners. Up and down and up and down. Whee! Much of the wind is against me, so that's my brakes. Oh yes, leaning, no brakes, still no brakes. Whoosh! Oh, up and over, camera's moving slightly. And we are at the end. I didn't use my brakes. And I stayed on. The signs disappeared at the start of this little trail. Watch out! A descent! It always says, is this trail for you? Oh, that squeak is getting on my nerve. So I've just paid to change it, and it wasn't the bottom bracket after all. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to take the back wheel apart and give it some grease. Never mind, you live and learn. Might be the pedals, I doubt it though, because I can spin the crank and it still makes the squeak, so it must be travelling through the frame. I don't know. Start with the jump site at Samwell and Dudley, which is more West Brom to be fair. Never seen it so quiet over here, so I'm going to drop down one of the lines and it cuts through to the lake at the bottom. So, let's see what this camera can do now. very washed away. And the camera's flopped forward. Don't think it's designed for this. So yeah, we did it. Bring us out onto the path I need to join. Goes around by the River Tame. There we go, said river. And let's squeak on. It's just started raining. Can't believe it. Unbelievable. Pedal backwards, pedal forwards. Oh, raining, squeaking, moaning, leeway. Is it the only way? I don't know. I don't know anymore. Just stopped under the M5 bridge to dry the camera. I'm heading back now, so this will be the last little bit to 360 camera. I'm going to go now over the railway line, head back up towards where am I headed? I don't even know myself. It was like back end of Warsaw sort of thing. So cross over the railway line up here, and then the last bit I will do will be on my phone, because I'm going to put the 360 away. The plan was to go to Cabeza Camoli. That was the plan, but I can't see the bracket staying on. You're right. Yeah, yeah. Doesn't take much to talk to people, does it? Nope. Are we all clear? We are indeed. Hello. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. How the devil are you? I'm very well, thank you for asking me on this fine day in Angleterre. And it's Easter. Feliz Pascuas is Happy Easter in Spanish. And Squeaky Crank, I haven't got a clue what that is, and I don't care. Pod's been cleaned and put away till next winter. Back over the River Tame. Slow, you ain't another hound dog, crying all the time. Ah, hey on. Here we are, end of the ride. I've got to work out where that squeak is coming from. It sounds like it could be there. I don't know yet. Anyway, single speed, camera mount done. Not sure if you can see, but it's raining underneath the bypass. So that's it. I am off to my happy place very soon. When you watch this, I will be in my happy place. Until next time, guys, hasta la próxima. Ciao.